In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for your Amazon wish list step by step. This process will make it easy for you to share your wish list with friends and family using just their smartphones. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Amazon.com and sign in into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a greeting at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on this hello message to proceed. Next, you need to navigate to your wish list. To do this, simply find and click on the wish list option, which is part of your account menu. Now that you're on your wish list page, locate the icon on the right hand side. Clicking this will take you to the invite someone to section. Here, you're going to see options about how you'd like to share your wish list. For the purposes of creating a QR code, select View Only. This means people will be able to see but not edit your wish list once they've scanned the code. After you've set the appropriate viewing permissions, look for the Copy Link button and give it a click. This will copy the URL of your wish list to your clipboard, getting it ready for the next step, creating the QR code. Now, with your wish list link copied, open a new tab in your web browser. Head over to Google and type in QR code generator. This search will bring up various online platforms that specialize in generating QR codes. Choose any QR code generator that you trust. These tools are generally straightforward, so find one that suits your preferences. Once you've selected a QR code generator, it's time to paste the link you copied earlier into the designated space on the generator application. As soon as you do this, you'll notice that a QR code appears, typically to the right on your screen. The QR code is generated almost instantly, so you can see what it looks like right away. Finally, you have the option to download your newly created QR code. You can save it as a JPG if you want a standard image file, or if you're looking for something with higher print quality, consider downloading it as an SVG or EPS file. These formats are particularly useful if you plan on printing your QR code on different materials. And that's it. You've now successfully created a QR code for your Amazon wish list. This will make it easier than ever for your friends and family to access your wish list swiftly and conveniently. Feel free to share this QR code in emails, on social media, or even printed cards. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.